Welcome back to my channel. It's Bob the Toolman here. And before we even dive into today's awesome piece of equipment, if you're new around here, or if you've been enjoying the content, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. It really helps the channel grow and ensures you don't miss out on any of my tool reviews, tips, and unboxings. Also, don't forget to check out my blog at www.bobthetoolman.com, where I write detailed reviews for chainsaws and other tools. Now, with that out of the way, today I'm incredibly excited to get my hands on this cutting-edge machine, the STIHL MS 500i chainsaw. Folks, this isn't just any saw. It's STIHL's first ever production chainsaw with electronically controlled fuel injection, promising unparalleled performance and that fantastic power-to-weight ratio we all love. Join me as I unbox this beast and walk you through the essential steps to get it assembled and ready for the job. Now, before we even crack open the main box, I want to show you this, the protective bar cover, STIHL article number 000079291776. It's always great to see STIHL paying attention to the details, making sure your bar stays safe and sound when the saw is in action. Next up, we've got the guide bar itself. This beauty is a STIHL 3003002021 Rollomatic ES Light Chainsaw Guide Bar, a 20-inch or 50-centimeter model. It's engineered for extreme durability, but also significantly reduced weight, which means it's perfectly matched for the immense power of the 500i, giving us excellent maneuverability out in the field. And finally, to complete our cutting system, we find the chainsaw chain. This is a STIHL 36RS chain with 72 drive links, article number 3621000072. The 36RS is their rapid super full chisel chain. And let me tell you, these are known for their aggressive cutting performance and efficiency, absolutely ideal for demanding forestry work. All right, with those out of the way, I'm cutting through the cardboard and opening this box up. And the very first thing I'm pulling out isn't the saw itself, but this super handy tool set. After that, I always grab the owner's manual. Always a good idea to give this a quick once-over, even for experienced users, just to catch any model-specific tips. And here it is, folks, the star of the show, the main body of the STIHL MS 500i itself, looking incredibly sleek and purposeful. Let me just rotate it here so you can clearly see that iconic STIHL MS 500i proudly displayed on the side. That's a badge of honor right there. Just holding it, I can already feel that legendary STIHL build quality. Looking at the top part, everything feels solid and well placed. And right here, we've got our start switch and controls all intuitively laid out for easy operation. And honestly, it feels lighter than I expected for such a powerful saw, which is a real testament to its design and engineering. Now, let's talk about some of the numbers that make this saw so special. The STIHL MS 500i boasts a 79.2 cc or 4.83 cubic inch engine that delivers an incredible 6.7 horsepower. And despite all that grunt, it weighs in at just 13.9 pounds or 6.3 kilograms, power head only, giving it an amazing power-to-weight ratio. This is truly designed for professional loggers and arborists who need ultimate performance in a lightweight package. In terms of bar lengths, while I'm using a 20-inch today, the MS 500i is typically capable of running guide bars from 16 inches all the way up to 32 inches, depending on your needs. It's incredibly versatile. Now, before we can even think about firing this up, we need to get it assembled. So, I'm going to rotate it around to this side and start by taking off these bar nuts here. Once those are off, we can remove the clutch cover to access the sprocket and get ready for the bar and chain. All right, with the clutch cover off, the next step for me is to take our guide bar and start installing the chain on the bar first. I find this makes it a little easier to manage, getting those drive links seated properly in the groove. Slowly but surely, I'm guiding the chain around the sprocket and installing the bar and chain assembly onto the studs. You want to make sure the chain sits nicely in the sprocket and the bar is correctly aligned. Once the bar is seated, I'll gently slide the clutch cover back into place, making sure the chain tensioner pin engages with the hole in the bar. With the cover on, I'll just loosely thread on the bar nuts for now. Don't tighten them down just yet because we need to properly tension that chain. Now, for chain tension, this is critical for both performance and safety, folks. What you want to do is lift the tip of the guide bar gently with one hand. While holding it up, use your scrunch, that handy tool from our kit, to turn the chain tensioner screw here. The ideal tension is when the chain is snug against the bottom of the guide bar, but you can still pull the drive links up slightly with your fingers. When you let go, the chain should snap back firmly against the bar. A good rule of thumb is that the chain should be tight enough that you can barely fit the tang of your scrunch under the drive links. If it's too loose, it can derail and be incredibly dangerous. Too tight, it puts excessive strain on the engine and bar, causing premature wear. Once you've got that perfect tension, keep the tip of the bar lifted, and then go ahead and firmly tighten down both of those bar nuts. Give them a good snugging up, but don't over-tighten and strip anything. You want that bar to stay put during operation. And there you have it, folks, the mighty STIHL MS500i, fully unboxed and assembled, ready for action. Just look at this machine. It truly embodies that STIHL quality we expect, and with that fuel-injected engine, I can tell this is going to be a joy to run out in the woods. I'm really impressed with how everything came together so smoothly. If you've been enjoying the content, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. It really helps the channel grow and ensures you don't miss out on any of my tool reviews, tips, and unboxings. Also, don't forget to check out my blog at www.bobthetoolman.com, where I write detailed reviews for chainsaws and other tools.